Ever found yourself on a wild goose chase for that elusive tiny screw you just removed from the wall? Tired of unexpected nail stabbings from your tucked-away pouch? Enter the game changer, our top-notch magnetic wristbands. If you've heard the buzz about the perks these bands bring, you're likely contemplating making the leap. Whether you're a pro contractor or a dedicated DIY, do-it-yourself buff, a magnetic tool wristband might just be the missing piece in your toolbox puzzle. Imagine effortlessly attaching all your metal odds and ends to your wrist, putting everything you need literally at your fingertips. The trend of using magnetic wristbands for screws has skyrocketed in recent years, and it's no surprise that manufacturers are diving headfirst into this ingenious concept. Yet, not all magnetic wristbands are created equal. Some are uncomfortable, lack magnetic prowess, or turn you into a sweat factory. Fear not though, we've sifted through the options, saving you from tedious hours of research. Our spotlight on the best 5 magnetic wristbands ensures you can pick the perfect one for your needs. Whether you're on the job site craving heavy-duty reliability or tackling a weekend DIY project, say goodbye to lost screws and painful pokes. Embrace the simplicity and efficiency of a magnetic wristband. What are the main benefits of magnetic wristbands? Keeping track of metal pieces, nails, and screws during a repair job can be a real challenge for DIY enthusiasts and contractors. How many times have you found yourself on a search and rescue mission for that elusive small screw, or worse, accidentally stabbed by a misplaced nail? Enter magnetic wristbands, the ingenious solution to these common woes. The primary benefit is simple yet revolutionary: instant visibility. Imagine being able to spot the exact item you need at a glance and effortlessly grabbing it for use. No more sore fingers or wasted time searching. The market's most powerful magnetic wristbands can securely store a high number of tools, including pliers and screwdrivers, ensuring everything is within arm's reach to complete any repair task. For those working on ladders, magnetic wristbands for nails are a game changer, eliminating the need for constant climbs up and down to fetch tools. The same convenience applies to navigating tight crawl spaces and hard-to-reach areas, where essential tools can effortlessly hang from your arm. But the benefits don't stop there. Some magnetic wristbands come with integrated tool straps or pockets, offering additional storage for small plastic parts, screwdrivers, pencils, and more. It's the ultimate solution for keeping all your equipment in one easily accessible location. Number 1. The RAK magnetic wristbands boast a high-quality, 100% nylon fabric for durability, lightness, and breathability. With a well-padded inner layer, your wrist stays comfortable during work, while the double Velcro fastening ensures easy and secure adjustment for any wrist size. This stylish wristband features 10 powerful magnets strategically spread along its length, offering optimal storage for screws, bolts, nails, drill bits, and washers. While not recommended for larger tools, it excels as a hands-free solution for carrying small metal pieces. Ideal for various DIY and construction projects, this affordable and functional wristband is easy to wear and comes with the added assurance of a factory warranty, catering to both contractors and home users. Number 2. The Spartan Wrist magnetic wristband boasts powerful super-strength magnets strategically embedded for securing drill bits, washers, nails, screws, and small tools. An added perk includes 2 tool straps, accommodating pencils or screwdrivers, allowing you to carry both large and small items hands-free. The extra-wide design ensures ample space for essentials while working in tight or elevated spaces. Its lightweight and breathable material offers day-long comfort, although individuals with narrower wrists may find a slight bulkiness. This can be mitigated by wearing the band higher on the arm or attaching it to a belt while maintaining hands-free convenience. Fully adjustable with a robust Velcro fastening, this wristband suits everyone, ensuring a secure fit. Crafted from durable 1,680D ballistic polyester, it proves to be a lasting addition to your toolbox, reinforced by a 100% money-back satisfaction guarantee for peace of mind in your purchase. Number 3. The Magno Grip magnetic wristband, crafted by Magno Grip. These magnetic wristbands redefine efficiency, offering a comfortable solution for securing various small items, from screws and nails to larger tools like scissors, a versatile choice for construction and project tasks. Constructed from robust 100% polyester fabric, These wristbands promise durability and a lengthy lifespan. Enhanced with super strength magnets, they boast a fully breathable lightweight design, ensuring all-day wear without compromising comfort. Featuring a fully adjustable Velcro fastening, these wristbands cater to wearers of all shapes and sizes, even accommodating those with extra-large wrists, an excellent option for individuals seeking roomy comfort. It's important to note that, while the embedded magnets are potent, there are only 2 along its length. While sufficient for numerous nails or screws, it may not match competitors in loading capacity. As such, it proves more ideal for DIY use at home rather than for contractors requiring a higher tool carrying capacity on the job site. Number 4. Introducing the Kicklin Magnetic Wristband, crafted from durable 1,680D ballistic polyester for robust longevity. Surprisingly lightweight and practical, this wristband is designed to thrive in any environment, boasting water-resistant features for versatile use. Equipped with 5 super powerful embedded magnets, it ensures the safety of your screws, bolts, and nails during work. The adjustable strap accommodates both large and small wrists effortlessly. Notably, the magnets are robust enough to support the weight of small tools, adding extra convenience when working on ladders or in confined spaces. Whether you're an enthusiastic do-it-yourselfer or an experienced contractor, the Kicklin Magnetic Wristband stands as the perfect choice, seamlessly combining durability, functionality, and ease of use. Number 5. Last but not least, the Blendex Magnetic Wristbands are armed with an impressive array of 15 powerful magnetic discs for swift and effortless access to essential small metal items like bolts, nuts, and screws. Regardless of the task at hand or the tight space you find yourself in, these wristbands guarantee quick and convenient retrieval. Designed with versatility in mind, the adjustable Velcro strap ensures a perfect fit for wearers with narrow or wide wrists. The strategic distribution of magnets across the entire wristband facilitates an even spread of items around your wrist. Ergonomically crafted from high-quality, lightweight yet heavy-duty polyester, it promises durability and comfort during extended use. Tailored for both home users and professional contractors, the Blendex Magnetic Wristband is a top-tier addition to your toolbox. Elevate your work experience with this professional-quality accessory that combines functionality with comfort seamlessly. In the relentless pursuit of that elusive tiny screw or dodging unexpected nail stabbings, consider the game changer, our premium magnetic wristbands. Whether you possess extensive contracting experience or are a committed do-it-yourself enthusiast, these wristbands are the missing piece to your toolbox puzzle. Picture effortlessly attaching metal odds and ends to your wrist, putting everything you need literally at your fingertips. The magnetic wristband trend has surged, but not all are equal. Fear not. Our spotlight on the best 5 ensures you can choose the perfect one, whether you crave heavy-duty reliability on the job site or tackle weekend DIY projects. Bid farewell to lost screws and painful pokes. Embrace the simplicity and efficiency of a magnetic wristband today. Don't forget to like and subscribe.